And welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and do a try-on haul of things that I got from Aurola, some Amazon finds, and navigation. I've never tried any of these brands, so it's gonna be more of a first impression. Let's get to it. The first item is the shorts from Aurola. I think that's how you say it. They have the little scrunch in the back, which kind of accentuates the butt really nicely. I like the material. It's nice and thick. However, if you're not very careful or depending on what you're wearing underneath, there's something going on here. So very slight, not too bad. But I feel like if you bring them up like this, scrunch them up a little bit, that kind of disappears. This is how they look. So they have like almost like a different texture lining the butt here. See if I can get a little closer for you so you can kind of see, maybe see the difference like right in here. The difference in texture from like right here to here. It almost has like that little outline. So very cute. These are like the 3.5-inch seams. So it is a little longer on the leg here. But of course you can always bring them up if you want. We bring it up just a little bit here just to protect the whole camel toe issue. But again, I think I love the material. Let's go ahead and try out a sports bra that I also ordered and the leggings. The Aurola top. So this is how it looks with the shorts. Now these shorts don't come up too high, so they're just right underneath my belly button, but this is the top. Same material, nice and thick, and it does come with those pads on the inside. This is how it looks in the back. So very cute, very flattering. Now with these, I'm going to go ahead and try the tops that I got from Amazon. Let's try those first. And then we'll get into the Aurola leggings and the navigation in a bit. The Amazon package that I got of these like crop t-shirts type of style came in a pack of 4, and I got the maroon or dark red, blue, gray, and black. This is what they look like. They're actually longer in length for the arms here. So if you're doing like a leg day and you want to feel like really comfortable, these are actually really cute. Cotton. I like them. Sometimes if I'm bloated or us girls are on our period, or, we want to wear something cute, but we don't want to look too bloated. It actually covers most of my stomach. So for leg day, I think it'll be great, because the shorts take care of the bottom portion of your belly, and this is what it looks like in the back. I mean, if you raise your arms up, then of course you'll see some belly, but if you're for leg day, just to be comfortable and moving around, these are very cute. So this is the red one. Let's go ahead and try the gray, the blue, and the black. Okay, so here are the Aurola leggings. The material is very similar to the shorts. However, I feel like these ones are slightly thinner. I think these are the yoga collection. Both the shorts and the leggings I have in size small. I am 5 feet, 116 pounds. The small fits me perfectly. I have to bring it up a little bit, but it does fall right on the ankle. It does have a very slight scrunch in the back. It's not as defined or as strong as it is in the shorts. But I am still digging this. It does come up slightly higher than the shorts. It does cover most of my belly button. I'm kind of loving this combination with the Amazon crop top and the Aurola leggings. I do have the sports bra underneath. They're not the same color. I actually thought it was going to be the same color, but they're not. So, but I'll show you without the crop top, and then again with it. So here is just with the Aurola Sports Bra on and the leggings. So I'm actually not hating this whole outfit look. It's very cute, right? So I have a mirror here, so that's why I keep turning this way just to check. I feel like it's good here if you bring it up as well, you know, just to protect that whole front area. Just a slight variation in the texture and the butt. Look at it. It still looks really cute in the back. These are also squat proof. Liking the Aurola so far. Very, very comfortable. All right, let's try out the navigation order that I made. This is the top from navigation. I'm really liking the stretch and the material of this sports bra. I like the design too. It has padding on the inside. It's very comfortable. It's not overly too tight. I am wearing an extra small. I love the back on this one. Check it out for back days. This is great because majority of your back is exposed and it just has this one line in the center of the back, which I think is very flattering. It's again not overly tight. I like that fact. I don't like sports bras where they're way overly too tight and then it shows like your, you know, bra bulge in the back because you're so tight. I am loving this sports bra so far. I am going to try the matching shorts with it. All right, you guys, so this is the matching color. These are the longer inseams. I think this was maybe the 3.5 or the 4.5. I'm kind of not liking the length of them. I think they're a little too long. The material is nice and light. It is stretchy, but it is slightly thinner than the Aurola, I find. But still very comfortable. It does give you a nice shape in the back. So I think with these, you don't have to like bring them up too much because they automatically just kind of go in. They're cute. They're actually not that high rise because my belly button is still exposed. But for the price of navigation, I could wear this for like upper body day for sure. All right, so here is the last one from navigation. This is the green. If you're short like me, you may want to probably order the ones that have the shorter inseams because these are a little long. You have to kind of bring them up a little bit like this. So, but they're still pretty cute. The material again is slightly thinner than the Aurola, but it's still very, very cute. Still accentuates the butt pretty good. Back on this top. Again, for those back days where you want to show a little bit more muscle, you can. And it comes just below the belly button here on the shorts. What do we think? I think you can probably stretch these up higher if you wanted to. Let me see what that would look like. Okay, you can probably stretch them up higher, but they're going to be all up in your business for sure if you stretch them up any higher because it's like really in there. But of course, if you throw one of those Amazon crop tops on top of it, I don't even know what brand it is. Hold on, the brand was. I'll post everything down below for you guys so you guys can check it out. I'll link everything down for you. But this gray one is going to look really cute with this outfit. Check it out with the gray, you guys. Isn't that cute? I feel good. What do you guys think? Cute. I ordered some different types of colors, some bright colors like the orange and the reds, the greens, because I wanted to go out of my comfort zone for this one. I'm usually kind of like grays and browns and black kind of girl, but I decided to go with some colors today to kind of, you know, just brighten up my life a little bit. For the navigation and the Aurola, actually, if you're on the shorter side like me, then you want to try to stick with the shorter inseams. You don't want them to look like biker shorts. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this try on haul. Overall, I think all of these pieces I'm really gonna enjoy. I'm really gonna enjoy the crop tops as well. Let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of videos. I can definitely do a lot more try on hauls for you guys. The next one that I want to do is probably going to be Gymshark because I've been dying to try some of their new collections. They're actually they look really cool, the design. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.